Hello you guys and welcome to my channel. Welcome to a video for the scrap room. Today we are just doing a show and tell because I'm going to be creating with a recipe for subscribers only. So if you are a subscriber to the scrap room flavors of the month kit, you will get the instructions on how to make the page that I will show you here shortly. But first, let's go through the kit, or this portion of the kit that I'll be playing with today. So the flavors of the month kit is 4 mini collections, and each of those mini collections, it's broken down. You get some embellishments, some pattern paper, and gorgeous coordinated cardstock with each of those collections. So this is only one of 4. Today for the recipe, I will be playing with Pinkfresh's Making the Best of It. What a good titled collection. Anyway, so everyone's going to get, in this portion of the flavor of the month kit, you're going to get 2 pieces of white, or I always say pieces, 2 sheets of white cardstock, textured on one side, smooth on the other, and these 3 sheets of pattern paper. So you're going to get Heart Open Wide, which are these gorgeous frames, and I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. You could fussy cut. So guess what I'm doing. But the sad thing is this gorgeous paper back here. But that's okay. That is okay. I might get to use some of that. We'll see. Anyway, so this is Heart Open Wide. And then you have No Risk, No Magic. Oh, nice. I like that. No Risk, No Magic. And a beautiful colored scallop. Everybody loves to fussy cut those. And this is a great, to me, a matting piece with the colors. But I think I will be fussy cutting those for sure. And then the gorgeous Simple Life is this paper. Another gorgeous color. And then another gorgeous floral. Very Pinkfresh-esque. And then everyone will get some embellishments, and this will vary per kit. So every kit will be different. You will get similar items, but not the same items I have received. So we're gonna get, let's see here, puffy word or phrase, and that's gonna vary. I got Sunny Smile, and I have the perfect photos for that. And then everyone's gonna get 3 chipboard flare. They're all gonna vary. I got some good ones. And in this gorgeous, I love this color. It's like a salmon-y coral. It's crossed between a red, orange, pink. I love it. It's one of my favorite. And this, I'm getting things with I love yellow too, so this is perfect. And I got Completely in Awe, a gorgeous floral, and then another floral with like fake washi tape on it. I love all 3 of those. I think I'll be able to use them on my layout as well. And then you're going to get a 5th a pack of the ephemera, which will vary. So I've got Believe in Yourself, You're Doing Big Things, Fresh Cut Flowers, and then I get a little pretty floral, Making the Best of It, Do Everything in Love, a cute little butterfly, and this looks like almost like a grocery bag with like pears, like a plum, and then some roses. So not a ton of embellishment to do a 2-page spread, but we are going to play with those frames, which will help kind of stretch our collection and make it look even bigger. I happened to find this paper clip that looks like a heart. I might pull that in too, so I'm just going to toss that in. That is not a part of the collection, but I think I'm going to add it to my page. Okay, I'm going to get to creating, and then I'll show you what I've done. So see you in a bit. All right, and here we have the finished layout for you, 2-pager. Like I said, I'm not going to explain how I made it or show a process video because that is for subscribers only, but this way you can get a good look at it. I used 2 different Pinkfresh inks to just do some ink blending behind my photos, and then I used some Mint to Be shimmers for splatter, and then a little bit of white as well on some of the spots. I will show you, however, so I actually did the background twice because originally I started and I did shimmers, and these were all the wrong colors. None of the colors were right, and it looked weird. So all I did was cut this part off. So this actually has an extra layer underneath it. I just cut this part off and glued these parts down onto another set of white cardstock and tried again. So there's always that option. You can always start over. Remember that. Nothing, and I'm not going to throw these away. I'll probably just keep playing with them and add more color and maybe use them for cards or something, or maybe another background. Maybe I will find the perfect opportunity to use them, but just wanted to share that with you. But yeah, here is the finished layout. You'll get some close-ups. Make sure again you check out the Facebook group and for the scrap room and the website and the blog. Check out all the lovely creations from the rest of the Zine team and all of the subscribers and those who play along with the challenges in the Facebook group. I appreciate you, and we'll see you next time. Bye.